This is Rick. We're at World of Wheels, Indianapolis 2018. I'm here with Eric from Maxlider Motors. How many times have you ever seen a four-door Bronco? Eric, you got to tell me what we got going on here.
Well, you can see it's a little different than what you're going to stumble across in the Bronco space. We cut a Bronco in half, added 2 doors, put a Roush Supercharged Coyote motor in it, and here we go.
Here we go. You're getting a lot of people asking questions, I bet.
It's an interesting story. You know, we build Broncos for customers all over the world, and when Ford announced that they were going to come out with a 2020 Bronco, we wanted to tip our cap to them and say thank you, and show them what a modern design or a vintage design with a modern drivetrain could look like with it being 4 doors.
Yeah.
Their new Bronco is going to be 4 doors. We thought, let's give them an example of how cool it can be, and the response has just been overwhelming.
Tell me what happened when you first started posting pictures of this truck on social media.
Well, we're really blessed with a large social media following, and when images started to circulate, obviously my phone started to ring a lot with people wanting to get their hands on one, and it's been kind of the talk of the internet in the Bronco space.
Very cool. So somebody could call you now and possibly get one built, I'm assuming, right?
They could, and actually I've got a handful of people considering another 4-door Bronco. The next design is actually going to be suicide doors.
Really?
So this one opens 2 doors conventionally,
right,
but we're going to do the Lincoln thing and suicide. And we learned a lot from building this first one, and we're going to be able to refine that for the second one and third one. And I think we're going to get the orders for them. So
yeah, I bet. All right. Well, you can tell the work is very high quality. Now, tell me a little bit about your company. Put a shout out there as far as where they could contact you if they're interested.
Well, definitely hit us up on Instagram or Facebook. It's Maxlider Motors on both Instagram and Facebook. And then we have a website, maxliderbros.com. We're all over the social media thing, and we put a lot of content out there, a lot of videos, a lot of pictures and whatnot, so you can kind of tune into us like a reality television show and kind of watch all the cool stuff we're doing with Broncos. So,
from looking at it myself, you can tell the quality is there. You guys don't cut any corners, and it's going to be well worth it if you really are into a 4-door Bronco, especially retro. Nice truck.
Thank you very much, Rick. Appreciate it, man.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto. Insuring your vehicle. Insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.